real heroes in our world are the team. My team are my heroes. Every person in here today, from the halls of Washington, D.C. to the local level, what do they all have in common? They all set conditions for success. And this is where it's our turn to shine. In 2020, we began construction on our new headquarters. Something that would set the conditions for our success forever. Setting conditions for success is an interwoven principle of life. On the journey toward success, no matter how it is defined or remembered, we need proper gear. As every journey is unique, the tools and aids needed for successful conclusion are manifest by the decisions we make. To my team, you made the decision to join our journey and be part of our story. And for that, Stephanie and I are just honored to have every single one of you on this team. With the unveiling of our new headquarters, an indelible fingerprint has been laid upon our team and our community.